There are 3 different types of muscle fibres: slow oxidative, fast oxidative glycotic fibre, and fast glycotic fibre. Slow oxidative muscle fibres are also known as type 1, the most useful for long distance, which is more commonly known as aerobic activities, such as marathons. A sporting example of this would be Mo Farah, as he is a long-distance runner. He would be mainly built up of slow oxidative muscles. Mo Farah would be born with these slow oxidative muscle fibres. The second type of muscle fibres is fast oxidative glycotic fibres. These are known as type 1A. These are the most common for middle distance runners, an average of about 7K. A sporting example of this would be a heptathlon. A person in sports would be Jessica Ennis. She will be built up of a lot of fast oxidative glycotic muscles, as she participates in a lot of aerobic and anaerobic sporting activities. The last type of muscle fibres is fast glycotic fibre, also known as type 11B. They are used for anaerobic sporting activities, which is known as short distance activities, mostly known as 100 meters, where oxygen isn't as needed. Usain Bolt would have a lot of fast glycotic muscle fibres, as he is a power sprinter. The percentage of his muscle fibres will be higher in fast glycotic. He will be naturally built up with these from birth.